Forex market video analysis, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and welcome back. Thursday today. We got a lot to talk about regarding the Aussie dollar. I mean, it was hard for me to pick a currency today since there's so much stuff, so much interesting stuff going on. You know, the dollar Canadian, which we follow very closely, just hit big target. Euro Swiss franc is also very interesting. We decided to pull the trigger over there. But eventually I had to choose one, and I did. I went with the Aussie dollar, since it's just so popular, right? It's a big currency. It's a big currency pair. Second, it has a very compelling technical situation. I just wanted to talk about it. We pulled the trigger minutes ago, guys. 15K right off the bat. All right. More, more is planned to come, but we'll see how it goes. Let's start from a technical situation, of course. We like the way price action is having that meltdown, literally, showing that huge spike right across 75.06. That is a big deal, guys. Alright, just remember that. That's the first one. Second, we also appreciate the way price action snatched that previous high with that vicious spike. Right? So that's a second. It took the previous high. Now, according to this key level system, talking about the black one right now, we got 1, 2, all the way up 3. We have the potential for a fourth leg back towards 72.12. This is the area. All right, that's from from the potential standpoint, medium to long term, so to speak. Now I want to show you, I want to focus on the lower scale system here, the blue one, because it's also interesting here. This is the short-term cycle, and the potential here is almost as close, is as close, to 72.12. It's a little bit above 72.30. That's as far as the blue system goes. So we got two targets, right, pretty close to one another. We'll just use this, we'll just address this as an area of support. We'll probably go, well, we did go with 72.30, by the way, officially, right? That's where our profit target lies. So 72.30 means 250 pip of potential move, right? Pull the trigger to 15K. There is an obstacle, pretty close by at 74.50. I'm pretty sure we're going to leave the position as is until we hit that area. Then we'll start to watch very closely. If price action begins to drill through 74.50 here, we'll get more aggressive, push the position bigger. 73.76 will act as a secondary target and a spot to take some profit. Later on, again, 72.30 final destination and primary target. We'll see how it goes. As far as stop loss level, I haven't placed that stop loss level yet. I'm going to do that right after this video. We're going to place our stop loss level at 76, keeping a healthy distance from price action. And then, like I said, at the end of the day, we got 250 pip in the pipeline. Weekly chart, we should keep an eye on that one, just to make sure. We need to make sure price action remains by the end of the week, which is 2 days to go, right? Remains below 75.06. Otherwise, this whole bearish conviction goes out the window. Alright, guys, there you go. Aussie dollar, fresh new position was established. Short position on the Aussie dollar. We'll leave it at that, and we'll pick it up. We'll pick up right where we left next time when we're talking about the Aussie dollar, probably in the next few days, coming days. That's about that. Moving on to the next one, guys. See you there. Take care.